Hello everybody, today's a video on my Galaxy 244 in my garage. Just gonna run through the system and show you it and then set it and set it off. So here's the keypad. There's a Honeywell Veritech PIR, a very good PIR, I must say. It's a dual type. As you can probably tell, it's very good. It's quite reliable, touch wood, and yeah, it's setup is the entry exit zone 1001 it's wired into. So I'll show you the end station. There it is. I was going to open it up, but it's a bit of a pain. But there's a 7 Ah battery in there as well for backup supply, and I've got trunking on top of it, and then there's the fuse bar with 3 amp fuse in it. So I'll show you the other devices. This is the next device in the system. It's a Mendier smoke detector, and it's on zone 1003. It's also works in coincides with the Gent system, but it's not linked or anything, but it's there as a backup. So in the back we've got a panic alarm. I think it's made by Honeywell. It's just a bog standard grade 2 panic alarm, or panic button, I should say, and they got a pair of door contacts in the window which are set up as security zone on 1012, and that's on 1011. It is actually reset, but it's the wee red flag's a bit funny on it. I did originally actually have a Viper, but the Viper kept going off every time there was wind, so I had to take it down. So yeah, that's the power wire coming down from the panel, and then I've cheated a little bit and junction box the window from there, but it does the job, and it's relatively neat. And we are getting the window replaced shortly, so I'll probably end up putting a new pair, put a new pair of contacts on it. I've also got an Allen extension speaker on the system, just behind that grill for the fire pit and the sort of steppy up thing. But yeah, it's on, and I didn't really want to put an internal sounder as well, so I just sort of went for the speaker instead. Here's the bell box. It's got a Chubb sticker on it because it's the only one I have with a sticker on it. I do actually have a cover to go up there with my friend's company name on it, but I haven't had the chance to do it yet. It's still Bell Plus with a blue backplate and obviously a white cover. Just standard Delta Bell really, nothing really special about it. And I have a dummy box on the side of the garage, which is Texacom Odyssey 3A. It's not actually connected up, but I'll probably be changing this shortly with a Delta Bell Plus and having that connected up just on the side of the garage in the garden. So I've got one fault tamper, keypad 0, this keypad, and the tamper is the back plate's actually slightly damaged, but it's only back plate I have, so I'll just make do for now, and I've made it so you can overwrite the fault. So offset system. There you go. So enter. So that setup's final exit, but it gives you 10 seconds to, or 10 or 15 seconds to get out. You have to put your code in again to just hit skip twice, and then that brings it back. So there is panic on, there's what we call hotkeys. These were for mainly the ADT systems. This keypad and panel is off an old ADT system. I just wiped it. I do maybe want to get a blank keypad, just didn't say anything on it, but this is a key prox as well, so you can use the proximity tags on it if you want, but I don't use them. Easy set is set up, but because of the tamper, it won't allow me to do it. So I'll do the tamper. The bell box is disconnected as far as I'm aware, because I disconnected it to before I made this video. So yeah, it won't go off. That's what the time when it goes off. As I said, bell box disconnected. Just double checked it was. And the star 5's medical. Yes, and then star 8's fire, but the fire tone's near enough similar to the medical tone. That's really it. There's nothing much to it. It does the job. It's a bit overkill for garage, like, to be honest, having Galaxy in it, but I like Galaxies, and in my opinion, they're the best intruder alarm panel on the market. That's just my opinion, though. I think they're nice to program, and I found them relatively reliable. I did have a 16 in here before, and it died, so the 16s weren't very good, though, in my opinion. There was better out there. But yeah, it's a good wee system, and it does the job. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.